What's up, everyone? This is going to be a quick recap on our trades this week. We've had a fantastic week trading the stock market. We've locked in over $9,000 this week. We took around 40 trades and we were only red on 4 of them. So fantastic accuracy this week. It's been really fun. Our largest trade was actually Context Logic, ticker symbol WISH. There's been a lot of chatter about Wish recently, and we locked in over $6,000 on just Wish this week alone. We've also been trading Virgin Galactic today, and we're up $1,700 so far. All our positions are closed out on this, and we are looking to open up another trade on it possibly later today, closer to market close. Lastly, our next big trade this week was Clover Health. We locked in over $2,000 on Clover Health this week. Today we did around $800. See if we can get our trades on the screen here. Yesterday we did exactly $700 to the penny on Clover Health yesterday, and we had another trade on Clover Health earlier this week for just a few $100s. You can see Clover Health opened today. We had a nice little sell-off, waited for some support zone here. If you look back historically, this is area of support breaking under $13. So we saw some volume came in, and we took a trade on that for 3,500 shares and took profits, sold everything, bought back 1,500 shares in case we had a sell-off, just to protect the profits that we already made, and then played that volume as well. And we closed today at $803. And we'll continue to watch that as well, as it's been working out really well for us. We're on the right side of the price action for the stock all week. So, hey, why not keep watching it and trying to make smart decisions and continue to make more money on it, right? So the big question is Context Logic the next meme stock? And there are some things to suggest that it possibly is. Let's get it pulled up here. So a lot of YouTubers will tell you that, well, how do you find the next meme stock? Well, you have to look for stocks that have a lot of chatter on the internet when it comes to Reddit or Stock Twist. And if a stock has a crazy day with just a massive amount of volume out of nowhere, like 500% volume, and everybody's talking about it, then, oh my gosh, that's the next meme stock. Well, unfortunately, that's not the case. There have been numerous stocks on these social media websites that have completely failed. They've been, the most talked about stocks of the day and or whatnot, and they've just completely failed and have done nothing. So how do we find the next meme stock? Well, one thing that all these YouTubers and these day traders on social media never mention is the consolidation period that happens after those days with massive volume. That's the key, in my opinion. One thing that's really interesting about Context Logic is that we are not fighting a lot of bearish pressure with this stock. We have bullish sentiment across the board. There's not a lot of institutions looking to short this stock. It's technically considered a great value because a lot of analysts have an average price target in the mid 20s, so like around $25 or so, which we're looking at from this point even today at $14. We're looking at 80% margin opportunity, just the average price targets with overall bullish sentiment and institutional support, retail trader support, and also just a ton of attention from social media communities. So it's not the same thing as AMC or GameStop where we're looking to create some type of a short squeeze, but it's almost still better in a way because we're not fighting all that bullish pressure, and we still have all the same attention from all these retail investors. So we've actually been holding this stock since $11. We've been day trading it and holding it to hedge our long trades, and we're up over $6,000 on it so far. Down a little bit today on it, but our goal has always been to hold it until at least $17. Now, because we're not taking some type of a short squeeze on this, we aren't looking for it to go to the moon, quote unquote, but we are looking to take it to at least the 200-day EMA on the 1-year chart, which is right around $17. So that's been our goal since $11, and you can see that it's been working out just fine for us so far, and we've been doing really well on this. Now, let's go back to what I mentioned earlier. The period of consolidation after those crazy breakouts. If we look at GameStop, so GameStop had this nice pop here back in January, and you can see we rose 90% in one day. Now, that's great. That's fine and stuff, but the most important thing to look at is the area of consolidation after that happened. We had that massive day, and typically when you see a day like that in the stock market, people take profits and they give it back. That didn't happen. We consolidated for an entire week after that and held those gains, and that gave the market confidence to go higher. Now, let's look at AMC. You can see with AMC, we had this initial pop here from 190 up to $4.50, and then we consolidated for just a few days after that, and that gave the market confidence to go higher. We continued to consolidate for a few months after that initial pop in this $10 range, and obviously all the talk of this being a short squeeze, it's arguable if that's what a lot of it was or not, but you can see that this consolidation period and not giving up all of these gains, not quite all of them, had given the market confidence to go higher. Lastly, Dogecoin. Let's talk about that. Dogecoin was, obviously it was a meme stock recently, a meme crypto, for lack of a better word, but it also had as the exact same dynamic. Doge was trading at 4 to 5 cents for a very long time. Then it had a pop of about 40% up to 7 cents, and it held that 7-cent level and consolidated before it absolutely exploded. So all these stocks that have exploded have had those same dynamics, and they also had the continued support of interest from social media communities and like Reddit and StockTwist. So Wish is doing a similar thing. Wish had this nice pop with just an insane amount of volume that traders always talk about, and we consolidated in the $10 range and refused to give up all those gains from that initial trading session, and that gave the market confidence to continue higher. Now, like I said, we're not fighting a lot of bearish pressure with this stock, and average price targets are still above 20%. So we're looking at somewhere around 50 to 80% gain still for average price targets, with institutional support, retail support, and social media communities, and talking about this stock a lot. So is Wish the next meme stock? Well, who knows, right? But I'm trading Wish. I've been in since $11. We're up over $6,000 on it, and the reason I'm holding is because the fundamentals make sense, and we're not looking to trade this stock to the moon, but we are looking to take more of the percentage opportunity here for average price targets. And this 200-day EMA on the 1-year chart looks like a pretty safe target. So we're going to at least hold till that. If we start to lose our gains, we lose our position, we'll definitely cut losses before we go red on Wish overall. So if you think Wish is the next meme stock, let me know in the comments. Let me know how high you think it's going to go. And if you like this video, if you thought it was helpful and you'd like to be a part of more videos like this in the future, please consider subscribing to the channel and like. It really helps me out. And I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.